Hello and welcome to Mr. Burgos' channel. Today I'm going to be solving number 1 in section 4.3. It states, an airplane has a mass of 3.1 times 10 to the 4th kilograms and takes off under the influence of a constant net force of 3.7 times 10 to the 4th newtons. What is the net force that acts on the plane's 78 kilogram pilot? The reason why the pilot is going to have a different net force than the plane is because it wouldn't make sense for the pilot to have such a big net force. So we have the mass and we have the net force of the plane, and we also have the mass of the pilot. Since they're traveling in the same direction and they have the same displacement and they have the same velocity, we know that they have the same acceleration. So we begin solving this problem by using the net force formula. Since we know the mass and we know the net force of the plane, we can solve for the acceleration. If we know the acceleration, we also know the acceleration of the pilot. So we begin by plugging in the numbers into the formula, and we get 1.19 meters per second squared as the acceleration. So now that we know the acceleration, we can use that same exact formula, net force equals mass times acceleration, for the pilot. We plug in the numbers, and we get 92.82 newtons as our net force for the pilot. This makes sense because it is smaller than the net force of the plane, as I said in the beginning. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.